Hey everyone, Bruce Weinstein with Cooking with Bruce and Mark. Today, I'm going to make a British classic with an American twist in the air fryer. Fish in chips. Do you like them battered or do you like them breadcrumbed? I'm in the breadcrumb category. They're a little less greasy, they're super crunchy, but today, rather than breadcrumbs, I'm coating them in potato chips. If you're a fan of flavored potato chips like dill pickle chips or barbecue chips, you can use those. But I'm using plain old potato chips today. And the first thing we have to do is grind them. So we take the entire bag of potato chips, an 8-ounce bag, we put it in a food processor, we grind it up, and we dump them onto a pie plate. That's the beautiful ground up potato chips that are going to become the coating for our outside of our fish. But to get them to stick, we have to dip them in a liquid first. And we're going to take 2 large egg whites and I'm going to beat them until foamy. And that will be the liquid we're using. But how do you get that liquid to stick to the fish? Well, we start with 1 cup or 75 grams of potato starch. Now you can use flour, but we're making this gluten-free today by using potato starch. It'll make it even a little crispier and it matches the potatoes that are going on the outside. Okay, so now we have to talk about the fish. We're using cod fillets. I have 4 4-ounce cod fillets. And I'm going to take each one and first dip them in the potato starch. Get them nice and coated. Now the egg white will stick beautifully to that. From there, it's into the potato chips. Get them really well coated. Oh, nice. We're going to do this with all 4, and then I'll show you how we're going to air fry these. So I've chipped all of my fish, meaning I've coated them in crushed up potato chips, and they are ready to go in the air fryer. So we've got our Vortex 6-quart air fryer up to 400 degrees. It told us to add our food, so we're going to put them right in the drawer. One of the things we're not going to do is spray them. Normally when we air fry, we give a light coating of nonstick spray so the food gets crunchy. There's so much fat in potato chips, we don't have to do that. We can put them right in. We're going to cook them for 11 minutes at 400 degrees without turning them, and then we're going to try our delicious fish in chips. Before we taste these fish in chips, please subscribe to this channel, Cooking with Bruce and Mark, and give us likes. We love likes. Leave a comment. I'll talk to you, you talk to me, we'll have a lot of fun. Subscribe, like, let's have fish. Whoa, crispy, brown, beautiful. Let's get them out, and then we'll try them. Time to try the fish. Crunchy, salty. The French fries or chips are coating the fish. It's amazing. You know what this needs? A pint. Well, I don't have a pint, but I got 12 ounces. And unlike in the UK, I like my fish warm, but my beer cold. This recipe is right out of our book, The Essential Air Fryer Book. And I'd like to know what you think of this fish and chips. I'd like to know whether you like battered versus breadcrumbed and whether you're going to try it with potato chips on the outside. So leave a comment. Let me know. Let's have a conversation about fish, chips, and cold beer.